Safety is crucial in the shipping industry. However, in our current shipping process, the accurate weight of packed containers is not always given by shippers. The incorrect declaration of container weight has led to accidents in the past and continues to pose a huge risk. This is why the IMO-endorsed SOLAS weight initiative will change all of this. On July 1st, 2016, a new regulation will require shippers to verify and provide the packed containers verified gross mass to the ocean carrier and port terminal representative before it can be loaded onto a ship. The shipper is responsible for providing the accurate VGM. There are two methods for weighing. Method 1 requires weighing the packed container after it has been packed. Method 2 requires weighing all the cargo, including dunnage and bracing, and adding this to the container's tar weight, as indicated on its door end. The shipper may employ a trucker or terminal to weigh the packed container on his behalf. The shipper, or shipper's representative, then submits the VGM to Maersk Line via the following channels: third-party portals, maerskline.com, EDI, or by faxing or manually submitting the document. A VGM can also be received by the shipping line directly from a terminal or depot if they provide the third-party service or perform a second weighing in cases where they question the accuracy of the first received weight. Maersk Line shall always use the last VGM received. With the VGM submitted, Maersk Line then prepares the container for loading, and therefore, if the VGM is not received in line with locally announced cut-off times, then containers will be shifted to another vessel departure. With the new regulation, the shipper needs to ensure he provides the VGM for every packed container before the load list cut-off. It will be the shipper's responsibility to ensure they provide the accurate weight and not a guesstimate weight of the container. In absence of the VGM, the carrier will not include the container on the final load list, and the terminal operator will ensure that only containers with a VGM are included in the final stowage plan. The impact on shippers is that they will have to obtain and submit the verified gross mass to Maersk Line and/or the terminal before the local cutoff. As it is the terminal operators who will be receiving the VGM information, either from the shipper or from the carrier, they will need to have EDI or other processes in place to receive and process this information. Local and national legislation will dictate the consequences of loading a packed container without a VGM, and terminal operators naturally need to be aware of this. If the VGM is obtained by weighing at the terminal operator's premises, the terminal operator needs a process to send this VGM information back to the carrier. Maersk Line will liaise with all terminal operators to ensure that a process is in place. Maersk Line aims for the implementation to go as smoothly as possible and to provide customers the support they need. Jointly with shippers, vendors, terminals, etc., we support governments in implementing the regulation to ensure a global, uniform process which will drive the vision of safety.